In this tutorial, we will see that how you can make blurry video clear in Capcut. So there are two methods to do it. The first method is for pro users. After opening up your Capcut, you can see here we are in this Capcut. At the bottom side, you will find here some of options. You have to drag this bar to left side where you will see this filters option. Click on that and you can see here we are in this presets. If you open here video quality, it will show you these two options to improve image quality. Click on that image quality and simply drag this line to Ultra HD. Then it will start improving your video quality here. It will take some time and that's it. This first method is for pro users. So to do it without pro, simple. I will undo this and then from this bottom bar you have to find filters. Here it is. You can open it and from these filters, first you have to apply a filter of this clear true. If you click on that, it will be applied. You can also increase its intensity. Then click on this stick, click on that filters and scroll it down and select glow from here. After selecting it, you can change its intensity. So we have applied these two filters and our video is looking like this. Then for the last step that will enhance your video quality, drag this bar and open up filters. From these filters, you can open adjust from here. Then you will see here brightness. Simply increase it to 10. Open contrast and change it to 10. Open saturation and change it to 15. You will see here this is after, and if I tap on screen, it will show here this is before. Then open this saturation and change it to like -20. Open sharpness and increase it to 10. So if I click on that screen, you will see here this is before and this is after. Here's a full video. So that's how you can make blurry video clear in Capcut in just few steps.